Hey guys, what's up? You're here with Eris Star once again, and you are watching Knockout Dating. Today's topic is how do you know if your past relationships are affecting your future relationships? This is a very simple question. Never bring up whatever happened in your past relationship in the future one. You can't go into a new relationship until you are completely over your ex. Okay, and that could mean exes, because if you're bringing up, you know, old things that are from like previous relationships, then you're obviously not over whatever you went through in that relationship. Okay, so entering a new relationship is like having a blank sheet. You cannot hold anything against this guy or girl. You can't have any expectations. You can't judge them based off of what the last opposite sex did. Okay, and if you find yourself starting to do that, it immediately means that you got to check yourself. You've got to get over whatever happened to you in your past relationship so that it does not affect your future relationship, because, you know, having a new relationship is like giving somebody a new chance. You've got to at least give this guy or this girl a chance, a fair chance to like win your heart. You can't go in holding anything against him because he hasn't even done anything. Okay, so those are some tips on, you know, how to know if you are holding what's happened in your past and bringing it into your present relationship. Okay, but I would also like to know what you guys think about this. Feel free to like, comment, let me know what's going on in that head of yours. Okay, don't just sit around and talk to the screen. Okay, so once again, I'm Eris Star, and you are watching Knockout Dating.